नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तुम्मि प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. We are on the second part of coordinate geometry, and in first part we have derived the formula that is called the distance formula. Now few important notes are there. If the coordinate of origin is 0, 0 and let P is x1, y1, any point on xy plane. Are you getting it? See here, this is 0, 0, this is P is x, y. If they ask the distance between OP, so distance between OP, suppose it is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So x2 minus x1, yeah, x1 minus x2. Now this is taken about x1, y1. Yeah, this is x2, y2. Okay, x1, y1. So by distance formula, what are you getting then? Distance OP is equal to square root of x2 minus x1, but x2 is 0 minus x1, so it can write about 0 minus x means 0 minus x1 the whole square, or 0 minus x the whole square, or 0 minus y the whole square. That is coming as what? X square minus x square minus y square. It is nothing but x square y square. So please keep in mind, if they ask the distance between origin and any part of the plane axis, so just have to take, suppose this 4 and 5, so OP will be 4 square plus 5 square. That is that. Okay, that is the distance between origin and any point on what? XY plane. And one more thing is there, distance formula. Distance AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, or AB square is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square and y2 minus y1 the whole square. So ये तुम्हें याद रखना है. This is the very important thing. This is the revision. This is important thing. What if they ask any point in an xy plane, if they are giving, and if they ask the distance between them is like, if xy is the coordinate, then you have to put x square plus y square. ये आपके MCQs में काम आने वाला है. तो ये थोड़ा सा तुम्हें याद रखना है. दो चीजें, if they are giving any point in a plane and if they ask the distance from origin, then you are going to apply distance OP is equal to root of x square y square. That's it. And distance formula, you know what is distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, or AB square is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square and y2 minus y1 the whole square. Please copy down it properly. Then we're going to start with the practice set. Now we are going to start with the practice set 5.1. First question is, find the distance between each of the following pair of points. Now we are going to find out the values of distance between these 2 points by using a distance formula. So solution for first question, A 2, 3 and B 4, 1. Let coordinate of point A be x1, y1 and that of point B be x2, y2. So I am getting x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to 4, y2 is equal to 1. Then, therefore, what I can write? By using distance formula. What is the distance formula? Distance between A and B is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square, y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is equal to root of. Please put in a square bracket, and whatever values are there, they may be with negative sign. So put in like this: minus 4, minus 2, right? x2 minus x1 plus 1 minus 3. Student, एक step बढ़ जाएगा, but it will help you. It will not. There will be no silly mistake if you are doing it this way. So I am getting 4 minus 2 the whole square, 1 minus 3 the whole square. That is equal to distance AB is equal to root of 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2 square, and 1 minus 2 is nothing but minus 2 square. Therefore, what I am getting is 2 square is 4 and minus 2 square minus का square plus होता है. I am getting root 8. So distance AB is equal to, you can find out the factors. So I am getting this type of factors. So distance AB is equal to 2 root 2 units. ये करके you are going to place. Therefore, what I can write? Distance between point A and point B is 2 root 2 units. 2 root 2 units that you are going to put in a box. So copy down it properly by pausing the video. Now, question number 2. Solution for it. P minus 5 comma 7 and Q having coordinate minus 1 comma 3. What are you going to write? Let co-ordinate of point P be x1, y1 and that of point Q be x2, y2. Therefore, what I can write is x1 is equal to minus 5, y1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to minus 1 and y2 is equal to 3. What you are going to write is by using distance formula. By using distance formula, distance PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square, y2 minus y1 the whole square. Root of x2 is what? Minus 1 minus 5 the whole square, and y2 is nothing but 7 minus 3 the whole square. See students, what I did? We are going to put a square bracket, and inside that small brackets you are going to put, values should be put in the what box only, in bracket only, sorry. That is equal to root of, in bracket, minus 1 plus 5 the whole square and 7 minus 3 the whole square. Root of minus 1 plus 5 is 4 the whole square plus 4 the whole square. We are getting 4 square is 16 and here also it is 16. It becomes 32. 32, we are going to find out the factors. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Correct? We are going to do like this. So, here you can write it as 16 into 2. We know that 16 का square root क्या आएगा? Therefore, distance PQ is equal to 2 into 2 root 2 or distance PQ is equal to 4 root 2 units. So what will happen now? Therefore, distance between points P and Q is 4 root 2 units that you are going to put in a box. Once again, the coordinate of point P is -5, 7, Q is -1, 3. The let coordinate of point P be x1, y1, that of point Q be x2, yx, x2, y2. तो x1 कितना आया? -5. Then y1 is 7, -1 and 3. By using distance formula, this you must write, otherwise they'll cut your half mark, and you are going to do it properly. Silly mistake mat karo, you'll get the answer. Copy down it properly. That was in the video. Now third one is R 0, -3 and S 0, 5/2. How are you going to start? Let co-ordinate of point R be x1, y1 and that of point S be x2, y2. So x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to -3, x2 is equal to 0, y2 is equal to 5/2. Now after that, what you are going to write? By using distance formula. By using distance formula, distance RS is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square, y2 minus y1 the whole square. That you are going to put a square box, and in that you are going to put a curly a small bracket, that is x2 is 0 minus 0 the whole square, and y2 is nothing but 5/2, correct, minus 3 the whole square. That is equal to root of 0 square plus 5/2 plus 3/1 the whole square, 0 plus. So what you are getting is 5/2 plus 3/1 is there. So you are going to cross multiply it. So what you are getting is 0, forget about it. What you will get? 5/2 plus 6/2. That is equal to 11/2 the whole square. So what you are getting is 121/2/4. So distance RS is equal to square root of 121 is 11, square root of 4 is this one. Therefore I could write units or distance between points R and S is equal to 11.2 units. This you are going to put in a box. This is your final answer. Copy down it properly. Now students, we have the fourth question, that is L 5 comma minus 8 m minus 7 minus 3. So student, now we have understood how to do it after doing 3 questions. I think you can try your own. खुद से करना है. Pause the video, you do your own, and then you check that you compare the what we did and आप लोगों का right है कि नहीं. So you try to do your own. Okay. But I will continue now. Okay. Let co-ordinate of point L be 5 comma minus 8 and that of point M be, oh sorry, I made a mistake. What I would write? x1 y1 and b x2 y2. Correct? So what is the value of x1? 5. y1 minus 8. x2 minus 7. y2 minus 3. Therefore, by using distance formula, distance lm is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square, y2 minus y1 the whole square, that is equal to, please put a square box and then you substitute the value in small box, minus 7 minus 5 the whole square plus in bracket minus 3, that is y2, y1 is minus 8. यहाँ जब माइनस रहेगा chances to make a silly mistake. Please take care of it. That is equal to root of, here it is minus 7, it will remain as minus 7 minus 5 the whole square plus minus 3 plus 8 the whole square. So it becomes minus 12 square and it will become 5 square. We are getting 144 plus 25. I am getting 9, 6 and 1. Therefore, what I can write? Distance LM is equal to, we know the square root of 169 is 13 units. That you are going to put in a box. Therefore, distance between points L and M is 13 units. This you are going to put in a box. Copy down it properly. If you are not, just check your answer or copy down it properly. Now, next one is fifth question. T is having coordinate minus 3 and 6, 9 and minus 16. What I would write? Let co-ordinate of points T be x1 y1 and that of point R be x2 y2. So what is the value of x1? x1 is minus 3, y1 is 6, x2 is 9, y2 is minus 6. The students, you can do one thing, you pause the video and you continue your answer and बाद में check कर लेना. और by using distance formula. What is distance formula? Distance TS is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square or y2 minus y1 the whole square, that is equal to root of x2. Again I am going to put a square bracket, 9 minus minus 3 the whole square and minus 16 minus 6 the whole square. Therefore, distance TS is equal to root of 9 plus 3 the whole square plus minus 16 minus 6 the whole square. That is equal to 9 plus 3 is 12 square and this becomes minus 22 the whole square. So what we are getting is 144 plus, we know that 22 ka square is 484. Okay. Students, one thing I have made a mistake. When I checked the answer, I should have written 10. जहाँ मैंने 16 लिखा था. This is 10. This is also 10. Now, if it is 10, that is 10 minus 6 is minus 16 square, and minus 16 square is plus 256. And when I am adding, I am getting 400. Therefore, distance TS is equal to 20 units. Therefore, distance between points T and S is equal to 20 units. That you have to put in a box. Once again, here I have made a mistake. T is at minus 3 and 6, R is 9 comma minus 10. So coordinate of point T is x1 y1, R be x2 y2, x1 का वैल्यू है minus 3, y1 का वैल्यू है 6, 9 and minus 10. I have applied the formula. You got the answer. Please copy down it properly, but we change the value. Instead of 6 minus 16, you have to take minus 10. Copy down it properly. Now last question of this. First question, sixth one. W minus 7 comma 2, 4 and x is 11 comma 4. Don't worry for that if it is fraction, nothing. Now you can do your own. Okay, you can start your own and find out the answer and you compare my answer with me. Let coordinate of point W be x1, y1 and that of point x be x2, y2. Therefore, x1 is equal to minus 7 upon 2, y1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 11, y2 is equal to 4. So what are you going to write now? Therefore, by using distance formula, distance wx is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square, y2 minus y1 the whole square. Student, I want to tell you one thing. x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus, but you can take also what? x1 minus x2, then you are going to take y1 minus y2. Then also we get the same answer. Don't worry for that. I'll repeat. यहाँ पे हमने क्या लिया है? x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. You can take it as what? x1 minus x2 the whole square, but यहाँ पे लेना पड़ेगा y1 minus 1. You'll get the same answer. Okay. Next, that is actually in square bracket 11 minus 7 upon 2 plus again in box 4 minus 4 the whole square. That is equal to root of 11 plus 7 upon 2 the whole square plus 4 minus 4 the whole square. That is equal to 11 upon 1 plus 7 upon 2 the whole square plus 0 square. That is equal to, now you are going to cross multiply it. It is 11 into 2 plus 7 into 1 upon 1 into 2. See, denominator is not same, ना? इसलिए हमें cross multiply करना पड़ेगा. And don't write 0 का square is 0 only. So what will happen now? Now don't write that. What I would write? 11 2s are 22 plus 7 upon 2 the whole square. We are getting 29 upon 2 the whole square. अब उसका वैल्यू मत लिखते बेटा, right? You can write what? 29 upon 2. So distance Wx is equal to, if I cut it, I am getting 14.5. Here we will write 14.5 units. And at the last, we are going to write, therefore, distance between points W and X is 14.5 units. Put in the box. This is the final answer. Okay? Copy down it properly. Are collinear or not? They are giving 3 points, and we have to check that they are collinear or not. Acha, what is the meaning of collinear? Points lie on same line are called collinear points. Means if the points are lying on the same line are called as what? Collinear points. This is a straight line. On that straight line, suppose few points are there, minimum 3 points are required for it. Suppose 4 points are there, they lie on the same line, they will be called as what? Collinear. So which are the collinear points? A, B, C, D are collinear. It is a very simple concept. Okay. Now, forget about that. Now we are just talking about the 3 point, that is ABC. Correct? Suppose if it is 4 kilometer distance, yeah, 4 meter distance is there. Now it is AB is 4 kilometer. This is 3 kilometer. Can you tell me the distance between A and C? Definitely it will be 7 kilometer. So this is the concept. Once again, if the 3 points are collinear, if you know that AB distance is how much? 4. BC is how much? 3. Means AC should be equal to what? 7 kilometers. Means what I can write? Length AC is equal to 7 kilometer and length AB plus length BC is equal to 4 plus 7. Means it is coming 4 plus 3. It is coming 7 kilometer. Have you understood this? This length AB plus length BC. Means what you are going to do? तीनों पॉइंट्स का मींस AB का डिस्टेंस, BC का डिस्टेंस, AC का डिस्टेंस निकालेंगे. सबसे जो बड़ा डिस्टेंस है उसको हम लोग एक इक्वेशन बना देंगे. इससे दूसरा इक्वेशन बना दिया. एंड फ्रॉम 1 and 2, if length AC is equal to length AB plus length BC, then I can say that points, which points? A, B, C are collinear. But if they should have given this is as a say 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. It should be 9. If it is given 7 or यहाँ पे 9 दिया means they are not collinear. That is not possible. So that is the thing. If they are equal, then only they are collinear. If they are not, then they are not collinear. This is the concept. I think you know it. If you don't know, copy down it. Otherwise, I think we have this part we have studied in 9th standard. So this is the concept. What do you mean of collinear points? The point which lie on the same line are called as what? Collinear points, and then you are going to study in this way. If you want, you can copy it. Now, first question is they have given 3 points: A 1 comma minus 3, B 2 comma minus 5, and C is what? Minus 4 comma 7. I'll check it once again. 1 comma minus 3, B is 2 comma minus 5, and C is minus 4 comma 7. We have to determine that these 3 points are collinear or not. Okay. So what I'm going to do, let coordinate of points. Which points? A, B, x1, y1. Point B is x2, y2. And point C, B, x3, y3. Have you understood this now? So, what is the value of x1, y1? x1 is 3, y1 is minus 3, x2 is 2, y2 is minus 5, x3 is minus 4, and y3 is 7. You got it now? So, what I am going to do is by using distance formula. So, first of all, we find out the distance between A and B. So, distance AB is equal to root of, here, this is for A, this is for B. So, x2 minus x1 the whole square and y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is equal to under root. x2 is what? 2 minus 1 the whole square. Correct? And in other bracket, minus 5 minus minus 3 the whole square. So what we are getting is distance AB is equal to under root 2 minus 1 the whole square plus minus 5 plus 3 the whole square is equal to 1 square minus 2 the whole square is 1 plus 4. So distance AB is equal to root 5 units. So this I am going to take it as what? Equation 1. Then I am going to find out distance BC is equal to under root. Now we are going to consider these 2 points B and C. So I am going to make use of what? x3 minus x2 the whole square, because we have taken as what? x3 and x2. Now I am going to compare these two. So x3 minus x2 the whole square and y3 minus y2 the whole square. That is equal to under root in square bracket. x3 is what? Minus 4 minus 2 the whole square. Correct? And in another bracket, y is what? Minus 7, that is 7 minus 5 the whole square. That is equal to under root. It will be minus 4 minus 2 the whole square plus 7 plus 5 the whole square. That is equal to minus 6 square plus 12 square. 6 square is 36 plus 144 under root 0, 8, 180 This is distance BC is equal to 180 units, and this I am going to take it as what, equation 2. Okay, got it now? Now, so distance BC is equal to, we have to find out the actually factors of it. So this will be actually 6 into 6 into 5. Yeah, you can do 2 that way also you can do. But I know that 36 5s are 180. So distance BC is equal to 6 root 5 units. That will be equation number 2. Don't take it as equation 2 over here. This is the second equation. After that, we are going to find out distance AC is equal to under root x3 minus x1 the whole square plus y3 minus y1 the whole square. That is equal to, in square bracket, x3 का वैल्यू है -4 minus 1 the whole square plus 7 minus -3 the whole square. You got it? This is 7 and -3. So what you are getting is -4 minus 1 the whole square and 7 plus 3 the whole square. We are getting -5 square plus 10 square. Under root, we are getting what? This is 25 plus 100. That is 150. That is nothing but 25 into 6. Means I am getting 5 root 6. 5 root 6. This is distance AB. That is equation number 3. Okay. So, it is 125. Is it right? So this is distance AC is equal to, what I am going to do, AC is equal, that I can write 5 into 5 into 5. So answer is 5 root 5 is equation number 3. Now you compare which one is the largest one. ये है root 5, ये है 6 root 5, ये है 5 root 5. Is it right? So what I am going to do, ये छोटे first and second, ये सबसे बड़ा है 6 root 5. So adding equation 1 and 3. See once again, आपको चेक क्या करना है, सबसे बड़ा कौन है, तो बड़ा कौन है 6 root 5 और छोटा कौन है 5 root 5 और root 5. तो उन दोनों को ऐड किया तो डिस्टेंस AB प्लस डिस्टेंस AC इज इक्वल टू रूट 5 प्लस 5 रूट 5. अभी ये रूट 5 x प्लस 5x इज व्हाट 6 रूट 5. या फिर आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, रूट 5 को कॉमन लिया तो 1 प्लस 5 बिकम 6. दिस इज डिस्टेंस AB plus distance AC is equal to 6 root 5, equation 4. And at last what you can write, that I am going to write over here. Please zara abhi understand kar lena. This is equation number 4. This is equation number 2. So from equation 2 and 4, what I can write is distance AB plus distance AC is equal to distance BC. Correct? Distance AB plus distance AC is equal to distance BC. Therefore, what I can write, points B, A and C are collinear. अगर इक्वल है तो क्या लिखेंगे, they are collinear. This way we are going to do the question. Okay, this. Okay, student, once again we will see that they will ask the question, determine whether the points are collinear or not. There are two different methods are there to find out these points are collinear or not. First simple method is by using distance formula. Let the coordinate of point A be x1 y1, B ka x2 y2 and C ka x3 y3, right? So what is the value of x1? 1. x2 is -3, x2 is 2, -5, -4 and 7, right? By using distance formula, first we have to find out what AB. AB is what? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. And we got the answer √5. Then we find out what? BC, that is x3 minus x2, y3 minus y2. We got 180, 180 को स्प्लिट करके क्या निकला हम लोग को 6/5. फिर हमें निकालना है AC. AC के लिए क्या होगा? रूट ऑफ x3 minus x1, y2 minus y3 minus y1, and we got 5/5. So when you are going, सबसे ध्यान देखो, ये √5 है AB, BC है 6/5, AC है 5/5. सबसे बड़ा हमें ये लग रहा है बड़ा, तो हम बाकी के दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. तो एडिंग इक्वेशन 1 and 3 करना है. अगर ये बड़ा है तो 2 and 3, और थर्ड बड़ा है तो 1 and 2. That way we have to change. तो adding equation 1 and 3, we got 6/5. अब ये 6/5 इसके साथ मैच कर रहा है, तो from 1 and 4 what I got? Distance AB plus distance is equal to what? Distance BC. मतलब point BAC are collinear, or we can write B dash A dash C. That is also okay. So copy down it properly with good handwriting, not like me. There are 3 more questions are there based on this, but they are lengthy. It will take more time. So we'll continue second question of this same sub question का इसका second question will continue in the next part, that is part 3. So we are going to stop here for the second part. Thank you students. Copy down it properly.